Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a document in the Canva app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First you have to open up the Canva app. And then, after it opens up, here in the home menu, in the bottom bar, we find the plus icon. If we tap on this, then we get a list of different kinds of things that we can create. And at the top, we find document, doc. If we tap on this, it's going to load. And then, after it loads, we can start editing our document. Here we can start typing and set everything in our document. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.